Alrighty, what is up guys? Another day, another video. It seems like I've been on this hot streak of doing unboxing videos. These two came in together last night. Didn't get a chance to unbox them at the time. It's June 3rd, first thing in the morning. Figured I'd make a quick video and run through these. So, like I mentioned, it's the beginning of June now, and then looking at my spreadsheet, May was crazy as far as pickups go. I don't know how I'm gonna make these videos, so I figured I'd start with unboxing these two things since they came in sort of at the same time. I guess follow me on social before we get into it. Stuffed on likes on Instagram. Also check out my selling page, link down in the description. These come to us from N Clothing out in the United Kingdom, so quite a worlds away. I like how they send it with this shrouded sort of mailer on top, so, you know, it protects the box a little bit more. But I guess the backstory behind these, I had no intention of buying these. To be honest, I didn't even know that these had come out. I don't think they have come out, at least in the US. So I kind of just impulse bought them to see what they look like in person. And then taking a look at the resale market too, it doesn't seem like they're going for much. So in a way, it seems like I kind of shot myself in the foot because, you know, even if I sell them, I won't be able to recoup my money. But hopefully these will turn out to be a personal pair, so that won't have to matter. But anyway, these come from N Clothing. Nice little end box here. It's just the receipt in this envelope as well as a quality delivered card or whatever. Nice little details there. We're not here for that stuff, we're here for this. So this red Nike box, these are a Nike Dunk Low, no retro, literally just Nike Dunk Low, light iron ore, and university red. And these are literally nicknamed like the light iron ore dunks, I believe. And here they are. Bam. Okay, I could get down with these actually. These are likely gonna be a personal pair now that I have them in hand. Let's pull out this other one as well. And they come with an extra set of these like orangish, goldish laces. They kind of look like the Union color orange, which I actually have the Union 2s here. These will be in another video, but the oranges are very similar. Really what sold me on this sneaker wasn't even the overall colorway, which I'll talk about in a second. It's more so the mini swoosh. You don't really see Dunks doing that too much. And actually I had that pair of the Griffey SB mids. You guys might have seen those, might have not. But that also had a mini swoosh. But, you know, I'm a sucker for little details like that. And then the overall colorway, like I mentioned before, is very reminiscent of something that I own. The Air Max 97 Nintendo 64s. A lot of similar red, blue, green hues to these compared to those. Outside of that, it's like this synthetic tumbled leather, which isn't the best quality. I could just feel it. Same thing with the suede too. It's very run of the mill, but they were taxed and it was like $150 shipped here to New Jersey from the UK, which I guess isn't bad. But again, like I mentioned on the resale market, they're not going for a whole lot. First pickup, super cool. Any other details about these? These supposedly released in March of 2022. I haven't seen them around the US, so this is sort of, I guess, call it an early pair, even though they're not going for much either. So we'll see how these pan out, whether I wear them or sell them off, we'll see. But I think I'm gonna keep them, at least for now. Alrighty, so next up here, this one comes straight to us from Nike. And these boxes are kind of buns. If you look, they're easily openable, which I mean isn't the best thing. But you know, I did hold these at the local FedEx, so you know, the idea of these being stolen wasn't a possibility because they had to confirm receiving and then I had to go pick them up and sign them out. So anyway, these come to us from the Nike Sneakers app. I have my laptop here on the 28th. That was a Saturday. They had done like a Nike Dunk Reserve on the Sneakers app, and I was fortunate enough to hit on a pair. And actually, this is gonna be a double up because Steph also hit on a pair. Don't mind me, you know, just cutting into this box here. But Steph also hit on a pair, so I'm definitely getting rid of one. I don't need two of these, and you'll see the sneaker. I don't think it warrants a double up. But in any case, here they are. These are a Nike Dunk Low Retro, so these have the retro nameplate in a colorway of dark marina blue and white. Taking a look at them. These are the dark marina blue Nike Dunk Low Retros. So very run-of-the-mill dunk in terms of leather quality. It's plasticky, it's very cheap, but for a $100 retail price, you can't beat it. Don't mind that street noise, a little truck passing by. The colorway is super cool, super clean for the summer. I think these white laces look nice. Any blue sort of lace would make these not pop as much, I think. It's funny, they have the dark marina blue. I think this around the toe and up the eyelet and the back Heel paneling are what the dark Marina blues are, at least according to the Air Jordan ones that I picked up late last year. And then this other blue, who knows, it's kind of like a tealish. But either way, I think it's a clean colorway. Good for summer. Again, like I mentioned, we're beginning of June here, so maybe I'll wear a pair and then get rid of the other, who knows. Not much else to say about these. I know these had weird release dates depending on the retailer. I know supply chains are all over the place these days. I think these might have dropped on the Nike app, the traditional Nike app, not the sneakers app, at some point earlier in the year. I don't really know. But glad to get my hands on these. Not sure how the resale market's looking on them, so who knows. This might end up being a return if I'm being brutally honest here. But yeah, here they both are, right next to each other, 2 pairs of dunks. This might be a thumbnail, who knows. But let me know what you guys think of these pickups in the comment section below. Hope you guys are enjoying shorter form content like this. I kind of like these more just because it's like first thing that comes to mind rather than writing a whole script or whatever. So definitely let me know. Follow me on social, all that good stuff. Again, sorry for the background noise if you could hear it, but that'll wrap up this video. Thanks again for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.